Good evening, students. Uh, First, I will teach for 1 hour 45 minutes. Then I will discuss the doubt of yesterday handout. There are two corrections in question number 6 and question number 10. So that I will discuss. Don't worry, and I will give the answer of yesterday's handout. Okay, we have given you handout on board mass. Other things like recurring decimal and other things I will cover today. Okay. Okay, online students, am I audible? Good evening. Now here our topic is, yesterday I told you recurring decimal like 0.33333, okay, 0.16666. So now topic is, if we have to convert this type of decimal into fraction, okay, how we will do? So we will put heading for the topic, how to convert a recurring decimal into fraction. Okay, I give you an idea, I give you a shortcut. Okay, I categorize question in three type 1, type 2, type 3, so that we have better conceptual clarity. But before that, I tell you, like here, one NCRT based method, so that you can easily understand the shortcut. Okay, like here, our question is 0.33333. We have to convert this in fraction. Fraction means numerator upon denominator. So we take it as x. This is called left hand side, this is called right hand side. Okay. So I call this as equation number 1. X is equal to 0.3333. Rule is, left hand side, right hand side, you can multiply by same value, you can divide by same value. If you want to add, you have to add on both sides. If you want to subtract, same value you have to subtract on both sides. You can do the operation, but it has to be same on both sides. So what I will do, I multiply both sides with 10. Okay. So here, if you multiply x with 10, we get 10x. And if you multiply this 0.333 with 10, when you multiply any decimal value with 10, your decimal shift one place on the right side. ये decimal इधर चला जाएगा. So it will become 3.33333 like this. This is our equation number 2. X is equal to 0.333. So 10x is equal to 3.3333 and so. See here, what I will do now, equation number 2 minus equation number 1. I write here equation number 1. X is equal to 0.33333. This is equation number 1. Now we subtract here, minus, minus. On left hand side, you get 10x minus x, 9x. On right hand side, if you check, it is 3.333 minus 0.333. Since the part after decimal is exactly same, it will be 3 minus 0, 3. So 9x is equal to 3. So what is our answer? X is equal to 3 upon 9. So here this value is nothing, 3 upon 9. When you simplify, it is 1 by 3. So 1 by 3 is nothing, that is 0.333, that we know already. See, idea is why I'm telling you this method. Here this 9. I give you shortcut now. And in shortcut I will say 9. Then some student they ask, sir, from where this 9 is coming? See, if you do 10x minus x, you get 9x. If you do 100x minus x, you get 99x. So here we have 9 because this long method tell you 10x minus x, 9x. But it is time consuming. we have wonderful shortcut where we can solve this type of question in just 3 to 4 seconds. So I will discuss shortcut with you. But you remember we are having 9 in denominator. So here you put heading type 1 or you write here type 1 question. And I will take 3 examples. Okay? My style is I like divide questions in different type, and for each and every type I try to take around 3 example, because like some student they are able to understand with the help of only one example, but multiple example help you to retain the concept. Okay, so I take 3 example. First example is 0.33333. And what is my type 1? That immediately after decimal we have repetition. Second question is 0.252525. Third question is 0.213213 and so. See, immediately after decimal, there is a repetition, maybe 1 digit, 2 digit, 3 digit, 5 digit, 7 digit, but there is a repetition. So how we express this? Like 0 point bar on 3. This 3 reoccur again and again. 0.12 जितनी डिजिट रिपीट होते हैं उनके ऊपर बार चला जाता है. This 252525. So here bar on 25 because this 2 and 5 reoccur again and again. In this question 0.213 bar on 213. Here this 213 reoccur again and again. Fine. Now what we need? Numerator upon denominator. Numerator upon denominator. Numerator upon denominator. Now I tell you the shortcut. Our shortcut is, first I tell you denominator, then I tell you numerator. In our denominator, we have as many 9, as many digit under the bar. So there is 1 digit under the bar, so we have 1 9. Here in this question, how many digits in the bar? 2. So here we have double 9. Here how many digits under bar? 3. So triple. We have as many 9, as many digit under the bar. If there is 1 digit, 1 9. If there are 2 digit, 2 9. If there are 3 digit, there are 3. New denominator. Since these questions are very easy, numerator number as it is. What is the number? 3. But don't forget to simplify. This is 3 by 9. You have to simplify. Your answer is 1 by 3. If you check 1 by 3 as a decimal, it will come 0.333. Now here in this question, what is the number? 25. So your answer is 25 upon 99. In this question, this is 213 upon 999. Simplify it. Divide by 3. इसको 3 से divide कर लो. You get the answer. This is 71 upon 333. This is your answer. I repeat, in denominator, as many 9, as many digit under the bar. Numerator number as it is. I ask you 3 examples so that you can try the same. Okay. Very easy. Type 1 is very, very easy. Take your time. Question number 4, 5, 6. This is 0.444444. 0.37, 37, 37. This is 0.123, 123, 123. You have to convert this recurring decimal into fraction. Now here it is 0.444 bar on 4. This is 0.37 bar on 37 because 37 reoccur again and again. This is 123 bar on 123 because this 123 reoccur again and again. As many 9, as many digit on the bar? 1 digit, so 1 9. So what is your answer? 4 by 9. In the second question, how many digits were? 2. So double 9 and numerator is 37. We cannot simplify, so answer is 37 upon 99. Third question, how many digits on the bar? 3. So that's why we have 999 here. And what is number? 123. So numerator is 123 upon 999. You divide it by 3. So it is 41 upon 333. This is your answer. Any doubt? Type 1 is very simple. Important one is type 2. Like here, type 2 is main. Like our exam prelims mains interview, तो mains ज़्यादा important रहता है. Once you understand type 2, type 3 will be much easy. In type 2, I will take 5 examples so that all of you can understand what is type 2. And the difference in type 1 and type 2 is, in type 1 immediately after decimal there is a repetition 0.333 और यहाँ पे आएगा 0.133. इसमें difference देखो. Here immediately after decimal there is a repetition. Here after decimal we have a digit which is not getting repeated, but uske baad we have recurring digit. Okay, let me take 3 example here on type 2. You will understand. First example is 0.133333333. Second example is 0.2454545 and so on. डिफरेंस क्या है? 2 रिपीट नहीं हो रहा, 4 और 5 रिपीट हो रहे हैं. थर्ड एग्जांपल इज 0.12343434 and so. After this 3 example, I will take 2 more example so that we have better clarity about type 2. Once you understand type 2, type 3 is much easy. Type 2 अगर समझ में आ गया, type 3 तो बहुत easy है उसके आगे. Now here, first we express question like 0.1 bar on 3. Because this 3 reoccur again and again. Second question is like 0.2 bar on 4,5. This 4,5 reoccur again and again. This is 0.12 bar on 3,4. This 3,4 reoccur again and again. Now here, first I tell you denominator. For denominator we have 2 rules. First rule I already told you. That is as many 9, as many digit under the bar. How many digit under the bar? 1, so 1 9. In the second question, how many digit under the bar? 2, so double 9. In the third question, how many digit bar? 2, so double. In our denominator, as many 9, as many digit under the bar. But we have 2 rule, one more rule, that is rule number 2. I tell you what is rule number 2 here. After this 9, we have as many 0, as many digit between decimal and recurring part. मतलब ऐसी डिजिट जो डेसिमल के बाद है बट रिपीट नहीं हो रही. Like here, can you see between decimal and recurring part there is a digit 1? For this one we have to put 1 0. As many 0, as many digit between decimal and recurring part. So between decimal and recurring part, how many digit is there? 1. So we put 1 0. In this question, how many digit are there between decimal and recurring part? 2 digits. So you have to put 2 0. I repeat, as many 9, as many digit under the bar. After that, as many 0, as many digit between decimal and recurring part. Decimal के बाद तो है, but repeat नहीं हो रही. Non-repeating, but after decimal. Non-repeating, but after decimal. ये सीधा बोलो डेसिमल और रिकरिंग पार्ट के बीच में जी डिजिट है, क्योंकि एक बार रिकरिंग पार्ट स्टार्ट हो गया ना, उसके बाद नॉन रिपीटिंग कभी भी नहीं मिलेगी. ऐसा नहीं कि 3 के बाद 2 मिल जाएगा ऐसे, और जो नॉन रिपीटिंग है वंस, वो तो क्वेश्चन ही गलत है. वंस योर रिकरिंग पार्ट स्टार्ट, आफ्टर दैट यू हैव ओनली रिकरिंग डिजिट, उससे पहले जो बचे. Numerator also we have two things. What is numerator? Total number minus non-recurring part. Like here in this question, what is the total number? 13, and out of 13 what is non-recurring? 1. So that's why your answer here is 12 upon 90. If you divide it by 6, your answer will come 2 upon 15. I repeat, what is this total number? 245 minus 2. Some student by mistake write 45 minus 2. So your answer is 243 upon 990. Simplification you can try at your home, try to learn. ठीक है, सिंप्लीफिकेशन तो बाद में कर लोगे, लेकिन करना घर पे. What is this total number? 1, 2, 3, 4, and what is non-recurring? 1 and 2, 12. 4 minus 2, 2, 3 minus 1, 2, 1222 upon 9900. This is your answer. गणेश थोड़ा जूम आउट करना है, ये कट रहा है ऑनलाइन स्टूडेंट्स के लिए, इतनी स्क्रीन कट रही है. आपसे okay, let me take two extra examples so that we have better understanding. Fourth example and fifth example. 0.3676767, 0.23454545. I expressed like 0.3 bar on 67 because this 67 reoccur again and again. Second question is 0.23 bar on 45 because 454545 reoccur again and again. जो digit repeat होते हैं उसके ऊपर बार जाता है. Now here denominator, first denominator, as many 9, as many digit under the bar. So there are 2 digit under the bar, so double 9. After that, as many 0, as many digit between decimal recurring part. So there is 1 digit between decimal recurring part, we put 1 0. In this question, there are 2 digits in the bar, double 9, and there are 2 digits between decimal part, 2 0. Numerator, total number minus non-recurring part. What is total number? 367. What is non-recurring? 3. So here this is 364 divided by 990. You have to simplify. Now second question, it is 2345 minus 23. 5 minus 3 2, 4 minus 2 2. This is 2322 upon 9900. Total number minus non-recurring part, denominator 9 and 0. Be careful, 9 किसके लिए आएगा, 0 किसके लिए आएगा. Let me ask you 3 example. Okay. Type 3 is much easier. Type 2 अगर handle हो गया ना, type 3 is much easier. 6, 7, 8. 0.455555. 0.1343434. 0.12 36363636. Take time, go slow, keep your answer with yourself, don't be in hurry. Try to convert this 3 in fraction. सर -12 करना, 36 नहीं करना लास्ट वाले में। Done. Online students. Now this is 0.4 bar on 5. This is 0.1 bar on 3.4. This is 0.12 bar on 3.6. Denominator, as many 9, as many digit under the bar. After that, as many 0, as many digit between decimal part 1 0. As many 9, as many digit on the bar, double 9. As many 0, as many digit between decimal part 1 0. This is double 9, double 0. Numerator, total number minus non-recurring part. So it is 45 minus 4. So it is 41 upon 90. Now this is 134 minus 1, 133 upon 990. This is 1236 minus 12. So here 1224 upon 9900, simplify. Okay. No. Any doubt? Type 2 clear? Type 3 is easier. And what is the difference in type 1, type 2, type 3? Type 1 and type 2, you can see question like 0 point something. 0.111, 0.1313. But whereas there are the question where we have digit before decimal also. 1.3333, 12.3454545. So that I take in type 3. This type of question I discuss in type 3. I take 3 example. (1.333333). Even before decimal also we write some digit. That is our type 3. 2.45555555. 11.2343434 answer. Here also we have shortcut. So what we will do? 1 point bar on 3. 3 reoccur again and again. 2.4 bar on 5. 5 reoccur again and again. This is 11.2 bar on 3.4. This 3.4 reoccur again and again. Okay. Type 3, I tell you like thing which I have discussed same. Denominator, there are only 2 rules, 9 and 0. As many 9, as many digit under the bar. After that or followed by as many 0, as many digit between decimal and recurring part. So first question, tell me how many digit under the bar? 1, so 19. Tell me how many digit between decimal part? We don't have any digit, so we will not put 0. Second question, how many digit on the bar? 1, so 19. How many digit between decimal part? 1, so 10. Here, how many digit on the bar? 2, so 99. How many digit between decimal part? 1, so 10. As many 9, as many digit under the bar, as many 0, as many digit between decimal and recurring part. Numerator, total number minus non-recurring part. So what is our numerator here? This is 13 minus 1. Decimal हटा देना, decimal का कोई लेना देना नहीं numerator से. Total number क्या है? 1 and 3. और जो रिपीट नहीं हो रहा 1, तो 13 minus 1, it is 12 by 9. So 4 by 3, you can check what is 4 by 3, 1.33. Let me tell you. Second question, what is total number? 245. Some student by mistake they write -4, -5 or -2. No. What is non-recurring? 24. Decimal भूल जाओ. एक डिजिट डेसिमल से पहले, एक डिजिट डेसिमल के बाद जो रिपीट नहीं हो रही, जितनी भी डिजिट रिपीट ना हो. टोटल नॉन रिपीटिंग डिजिट 2 and 4, so it is 24. 5 minus 4 1, 4 minus 2 2, 221 upon 90. Let us write this question. What is total number? 11,234 minus 112. In one of the batch, one student asked, सर ये डेसिमल खत्म हो जाएगा. वही तो करना है. क्वेश्चन ही तो वो था कि हमें डेसिमल को फ्रैक्शन में कन्वर्ट करना है. So now here this is third question. 4 minus 2 2, 3 minus 1 2, 2 minus 1 1, 11,122 upon 990. Simplification that we take. टोटल नंबर माइनस नॉन रिकरिंग पार्ट. तो इसके लिए डेसिमल भूल जाओ न्यूमरेटर के लिए. ठीक है. लेट मी टेक वन मोर एग्जांपल. 4.56666666. It is 4.5 bar on 6. Denominator, there are two rules. As many 9, as many digit under the bar, 1 9. As many 0, as many digit between decimal recurring part. Between decimal recurring part there is 1 digit, so 1 0. Numerator is total number. 456 minus non-recurring part. What is non-recurring? 45. Be careful. 45. 6 minus 5 1. 45 minus 4 4, 1 1 upon 90. Simplify. I ask you 3 questions. Try, go slow, step by step. This is simple. Type 3 क्या है? Total number minus non-recurring part 9 and 0. Try. 2.333333. 4.68888. 23.4, 56, 56, 56, and so. So go slow, take your time, find the fraction. नहीं, फर्स्ट में भी आप लेट आए ना. फर्स्ट क्लास का इश्यू नहीं था. आप अगर बिल्कुल टाइम पे आए होते तो भी समझ में आ जाता. मैं आपको ना यूट्यूब वीडियो का एक लिंक दिलवा दूंगा, उससे समझ में आ जाएगा. अभी रुको, अभी बस 5 मिनट में नेक्स्ट टॉपिक स्टार्ट हो जाएगा, उसमें इश्यू नहीं आएगा, है ना. ये पूरा एक्सप्लेन करने में फिर आधा घंटा लग जाएगा. नाउ हियर दिस इज 2.3. दिस इज 4.6 बार ऑन 8. This is 23.4 bar on 5 6. because 5 6 reoccur again and again, 8 reoccur again and again, 3 reoccur again and again. See here, we have to convert this in fraction. As many 9, as many digit under the bar, so there is one digit 1 9. As many 0, as many digit between decimal recurring part, so there is no digit, so we will not put 0 here. Here there is one digit in the bar 1 9. There is one digit between decimal recurring part 1 0. Here there are two digit under the bar 9 one digit between decimal recurring part 1 0. Here numerator is 23 minus 2. So it is 21 upon 9. So it is 7 by 3. Here in this case, what is your numerator? 468 minus 46. 8 minus 6, 2. 6 minus 4, 2. 422 upon 90 simplify. Here in this case, what is your total number? 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 minus 2, 3, 4. Total number minus this. I ask you one more question, then I give the language. That will help you in type 1, type 2, type 3. Okay. Done? Online students? I said try this question. Many students, they face problem in this. 4.0555555. Try to convert this in fraction. $365, not 460. Now this is 4.0 bar on 5. How many digit number? 1. So how many 9? 1. Some student, they miss this 0. Between decimal recurring part, is there any digit? 0 is a digit. You have to put 1 0 for this digit. And numerator will be 405 minus 40. You ignored decimal. Numerator के लिए ना decimal भूल जाओ. तो ये होता है 405 minus 40. So here 365 upon 90. If you simplify 73 upon 18, or if you got 365 upon 90, then also it is okay. Then also there is no problem. Now you write the language. Either it is type 1, type 2, type 3, it is helpful. What we are looking for, numerator upon denominator. Numerator is total number minus non-recurring part. Okay, total number minus non-recurring part. In denominator, we have two things. First is as many 9, as many digit under the bar. As many digit, as many 9, as many digit under the bar, followed by, इनके बाद आएगा, और after this, as many 0, as many digit between decimal and recurring part. मतलब उतनी जीरो जितनी आपकी डिजिट डेसिमल और रिकरिंग पार्ट के बीच में, उतनी जीरो. फाइन. Now next is I cover some of the basic rule of indices. You can pronounce it as indices or indices. What is this indices? It is a plural word for index. What is index means? Power. You know this. I will cover 5-6 rule तो आपको याद आ जाएगा. This is the basic thing. You should know all these rules because when we will cover unit digit of x to power y, remainder theorem topic in regular classes, तो फिर ये आना चाहिए आपको. a to power m into a to power n. Any one of you? a to power m plus n. When the base is same and there is a multiplication, we add the power. You write example also. Like 2 is to power 12 into 2 is to power 8. So it becomes 2 is to power 12 plus 8, 2 is to power 20. Next is second rule is a is to power m divided by a is to power n. So it is a is to power m minus n. You try this question, 2 is to power 10 divided by 32. Try this. Divya, you just quickly take photo from other device. इसमें तो स्क्रीनशॉट का ऑप्शन होगा, जल्दी से ले लो आप ये ऑनलाइन स्टूडेंट्स. हाँ 32 is 2 is to power 5 आपको पता होना चाहिए. हाँ फिर लास्ट में आंसर 2 की पावर 5 भी बच जाएगा. आई विल एक्सप्लेन. दिव्या प्लीज टेक द फोटो और क्विकली लिख लो ये. So I ask you a question. So you write 2 is to power 10, 32 is 2 is to power 5. ठीक है, ये आज के होमवर्क में मैं बताऊंगा, आपको याद भी रखने हैं. 2 is to power 10 minus 5. So it is 2 is to power 5. Either you can say answer is 2 is to power 5 or you can say answer is 32. Or idea is a is to power m divided by a is to power n. It will be a is to power m minus n. Power कम हो जाती है, m minus n. Now third rule. A is to power m bracket n. A is to power m bracket n. A is equal to a is to power m into n. Some students they do mistake in this. Like here, for example, if I ask you 2 is to power 4 bracket 3. Some students they think it is 4 cube and it's 4 cube 64. They write 2 की power 64, but it is wrong. According to rule, it will be 2 is to power 4 into 3. And what is 4 into 3? 12. So your answer is 2 is to power 12. ये रूल है. ये अगर ऐसा है ना तो इसको मल्टीप्लाई करना होता है m into n. Like take your time. 5 is to power 2 bracket 4. What is your answer? 5 is to power 8. So it will be 5 is to power 2 into 4. It is 5 is to power 8. Third rule is a is to power m bracket n is a is to power m into n. ज्यादा चक्कर में नहीं पड़ना हमें, ठीक है। हैव यू हर्ड अबाउट वैदिक मैथ? एनी वन ऑफ यू हैव सीन लेक्चर्स ऑन वैदिक मैथ? किया ना क्लास 8 में। वो धमाल मूवी में ना एक डायलॉग है, सामने लाल बटन है, कहते दबा दिया, नहीं दबाना था टाइप। इफ वी आर प्रिपेयरिंग फॉर सी सेट, डोंट वेस्ट योर टाइम फॉर वैदिक मैथ, डोंट वेस्ट। कल ही बता के हटाऊं, इट इज फॉर सिविल सर्वेंट, इट इज नॉट बैंकिंग एग्जाम। इफ यू आर प्रिपेयरिंग फॉर बैंकिंग एसएससी देन यू नीड, हमें नहीं जरूरत। हम अपनी एनर्जी क्वेश्चन समझने में, स्टेटमेंट बेस्ड क्वेश्चन सॉल्व करने में लगाएंगे। सी हियर व्हाट आई फील, आई नेवर टीच वैदिक मैथ। Why to take 6-7 lecture on Vedic math? Better I can take 6-7 lecture, और जो मैं लेता भी हूँ इन थीम बेस्ड लेक्चर ऑन लेटेस्ट पैटर्न क्वेश्चन ऑन नंबर सिस्टम एंड स्टेटमेंट बेस्ड क्वेश्चंस। इसको हम दूसरी जगह यूज करेंगे जहां से 12 से 15 क्वेश्चंस आएंगे यूपीएससी में। तो हियर थोड़ी बहुत कैलकुलेशंस होनी चाहिए, अदरवाइज डोंट बी कि like if you are multiplying a number with 999, 3-digit number multiplication, how to calculate fast? We are not bother, we are least bother. Check the 2011 से लेके 24 तक के क्वेश्चंस देख लो, हार्डली 1 or 2 क्वेश्चन देयर वेयर कैलकुलेशन इज रिक्वायर्ड, अदरवाइज वेरी स्मॉल कैलकुलेशन, वी डोंट नीड टू मच कैलकुलेशंस। अपना आंसर दिए 5⁸ से काम चल जाएगा, ठीक है। नाउ नेक्स्ट इज रूल नंबर 4, a into b is to power n, so it is a is to power n into b is to power n. Like here, for example, it is 6 is to power 10, so you can express it as 2 into 3 is to power 10, so it can be written as 2 is to power 10 into 3 is to power 10, 2 is to power 10 into 3 is to power 10. a into b is to power n is a power n into b की पावर, उसको अलग किया जा सकता है। रूल नंबर 5, a upon b is to power n, so it is a is to power n upon b is to power n. a divided by b is to power n can be written as a is to power n upon b is to power n. Next, rule number 6, a is to power 0, it is 1. Rule number 7, where generally student they have some misconception or they do some mistake, a is to power minus n. कुछ लोगों को लगता है पावर माइनस n, so it will be a negative value, not necessary. You write a is to power minus n is 1 upon a is to power n, है ना? हाँ, मतलब ये ठीक है, लेकिन कुछ लोगों को लगता है कि ये नेगेटिव होगा। Let me explain this concept so that you have an idea about negative power and positive power. Negative power doesn't mean that entire value is negative. Just try to understand value अगर positive, if there is a increase in the power value or there is a decrease in the power value, then what is the change? Two is to power 1, 2 is to power 2, 2 is to power 3, 2 is to power 4, 2 is to power 5, 2 is to power 6. See here, if there is a positive value and I keep on increasing the positive value, what is the effect? It is 2. I'm multiplying with 1 more 2. I'm multiplying with 1 more 2 here. I'm multiplying with 1 more 2. So multiplication बढ़ रहा है. See here, what is 2 is to power 0? 2 is to power 0 is actually 2 upon 2, which is 1. If you move in a right side, you have to multiply with 2. But if you move in a left side, in denominator, you will have 1 more 2. रुको तो सही, 2 is to power minus 3 is, it is not negative, it is 1 upon 2 into 2 into 2. So what is important? 2 is to power 0 is actually 2 is to power 1 divided by 2 is to power 1, means 2 upon 2, which is actually 1. When you increase the positive value, you multiply with 2, 1 into 2, then into 2, then 1 more 2, 1 more 2. नेगेटिव पावर डजंट मीन्स वैल्यू इज नेगेटिव, डिनोमिनेटर बड़ा होता जाता है. 2 is to power -4 मीन्स डिनोमिनेटर में 1 और 2 आ जाएगा, वैल्यू छोटी होती जाएंगी. तो इट विल बी 1 अपॉन 2 इंटू 2 इंटू 2 इंटू. It's like here value will become double 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 double. It's like value will be half, further half, further half, half half. So idea is like if I say 5 is to power -2, it doesn't mean this is a negative value, it is 1 upon 5 की power 2. So you remember this is very important rule, a is to power minus n is 1 upon a is to power n. Depend on a. If a itself is negative तो उस पर डिपेंड करेगा. नहीं 10 क्यों है, 1/25 आया है पॉजिटिव, छोटी वैल्यू है, ये भी पॉजिटिव है. इफ न्यूमरेटर डिनोमिनेटर बोथ आर पॉजिटिव द एंटायर वैल्यू इज पॉजिटिव. हाँ तो डिपेंड करेगा ना क्या होगा फिर. ही इज आस्किंग टू टेक इट एज -5 इज टू पावर, क्या हो गया इसको, -5 is to power -2. हाँ जी, what should be? It will 1 upon -5 की power 2. And what will be -5 की power 2? +25. 1 upon 25. I told you it depends. इस पे इन दोनों पे डिपेंड करेगा. ओवरऑल वैल्यू विल बी पॉजिटिव और नेगेटिव, फिर माइनस हो जाता. A is to power -n doesn't mean it is negative. इट डिपेंड, ये वैल्यू छोटी होती है, नेगेटिव पॉजिटिव इन पे डिपेंड करेगा. तो यू रिमेंबर a is to power -n is 1 upon a is to power n. ऑनलाइन स्टूडेंट ने रूल नंबर 2 के लिए बोला, क्या उसमें एक्सप्लेन कुछ नहीं करना, आपको याद करना है. ये हमारे बचपन की थोड़ी सी काम चोरी है बस, स्कूल टाइम की. Nothing to explain. A is to power m upon n is a is to power m minus n. If your question is 2 is to power 10 divided by 2 is to power 7, so your answer will be 2 is to power 10 minus 7, so it is 2 is to power 3. और I ask you a question, एक क्वेश्चन और पूछ लेता हूँ रूल नंबर 2 पे. 3 is to power 20 upon 3 is to power 6. So we can write it as 3 is to power 20 minus 6, 3 is to power 4. रूल नंबर 7 पूछ लेता हूं. 5 is to power -30 is equal to 1 upon 5 is to power x. तो what will be x? 30. तो इसको हम कैसे एक्सप्रेस करेंगे? 5 is to power -30 is nothing, 1 upon 5 is to power 30. When we revise this 7 rule and you have to revise at your home also. ये सातों रूल आपको रटे होने चाहिए. रूल नंबर 1, a is to power m into a is to power n is a is to power m plus n. What is our rule number 2? A is to power m upon a is to power n, it is a is to power m minus n. Third rule is a into b is to power n is, sorry, a is to power m bracket n is a is to power m into n. Rule number 4, a into b is to power n, it can be written as a is to power n into b is to power n. Rule number 5, a upon b is to power n, a is to power n upon b is to power n. Rule number 6, a is to power 0 is 1. Rule number 7, a is to power minus n is 1 upon a is to power n. ओके हाँ जी नाउ नेक्स्ट इज रूल ऑफ काउंटिंग प्रिंसिपल. वो एसी बंद करना है या कूलिंग कम कर दो. Rule of counting principle. First rule is you write sum of first n natural number. Meaning hereby 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 up to n. N into n plus 1 divided by 2. Sum of first n natural number is n into n plus 1 divided by 2. Fine? Like here. On this rule, question number 1, 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 up to 30. It means sum of first 30 natural number. The value of n is 30. So our rule is n into n plus 1 divided by 2. So this will be 30 into 31 divided by 2. If you solve this, this is 15. 15 into 31, 465. 30 into 31 divided by 2. Now you try 1 plus 2 plus 3 up to 50. Keep answer with yourself. Sum of us 50 natural number. पहले सही था. So this is 50 into 51 divided by 2. This is 25. ठीक है. अभी अगर कैलकुलेशन स्लो है डजेंट मैटर. ठीक है. इट विल टेक टाइम but don't use calculator. Okay. If I found you are using calculator, I will take your calculator. And nowadays calculator costs 50-60,000 rupees. ठीक है. ऑनलाइन वालों को मैं अपना एड्रेस दे दूंगा. कैलकुलेटर नहीं यूज करना. ठीक है. ये रूल है. डोंट बी डिपेंडेंट ऑन कैलकुलेटर. टेक टाइम, no problem. Take 5 minutes, 6 minutes to do small calculation, but don't be do any of the calculation on calculator. ये रूल बना लो. स्पेशली सीए पीपल जो कॉमर्स बैकग्राउंड वाले हैं, जो कैलकुलेटर कट करते हैं. ठीक है. नहीं करने का आपको. Because you are handicapped in the sense you are dependent on external thing for your calculation, which will hamper you. UPSC will not give you calculator. If you are relative of Amit Shah ji, then I can allow you. ठीक है. उन्हीं के लिए कैलकुलेटर अंदर जा सकता है. Now next, 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 up to 80. sum of first 80 natural number. सर कितनी कैलकुलेशन मिस्टेक करोगे आप, वो भी फ्रंट में बैठ के? इतना फास्ट नहीं दौड़ना है। वन 120 क्यों? 80 नेचुरल नंबर का सम निकालना है। 3240 कैसे आएगा? 80 इंटू 81 डिवाइडेड बाई 2, इससे यहां आ जाएगा 40। ठीक है, 81 को 40 से मल्टीप्लाई करना है भाई, जीरो तो एज इट इज ले लो, 81 को 4 से कर लो। व्हाट इज 81 इंटू 4? 3240। तो योर आंसर इज 3240। नाउ लेवल 2 क्वेश्चन, इसी के ऊपर थोड़ा डिफिकल्टी बढ़ाता हूं। ट्राई दिस क्वेश्चन। 31 यही ले लो पहले, 41 प्लस 42 प्लस 43 44 अप टू 100। फाइंड द सम ऑफ दिस सीरीज। टेक योर टाइम, ट्राई फर्स्ट, यू ट्राई, देखो क्या आ रहा है। What is your answer? क्या चीज? 4630 4230 1830। आपको लगा 60 टर्म है ना? 1830 मीन्स यू थॉट देर आर 60 टर्म, यू हैव यूज 60 इंटू 61 डिवाइडेड बाई 2, बट वो तो उसका आंसर होगा 1 प्लस 2 प्लस 3 अप टू 60। See here, this formula is applicable if you read formula carefully, sum of first n natural number. It is only applicable when your series start from 1. So there is a catch. Our series is not starting from 1. Okay. So what you have to do, we have to do some adjustment. What is missing? 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4, 40. This formula is applicable when your series start from 1. Otherwise you can't use directly. तो जो missing था वो add कर दिया, but you can't add, there will be imbalance. But there is a rule, जो add किया the same thing you can subtract so that there is a balance. What we will do, we will add 1 to 40 so that it become a series from 1 to 100, and then we subtract 1 to 40. So now we get two series, 1 to 100 minus 1 to 40. So you have to apply this formula twice. This is first 100 natural number and this is 40 natural number. So it is n into n plus 1 divided by 2. यहाँ n की वैल्यू 100 होगी और दूसरे के लिए n की वैल्यू 40 होगी. It is 100 into 101 divided by 2 minus 40 into 41 divided by 2. So this is 50. 50 into 101 is 5050. This is 20. It is 820. So 5050 minus 820. So it is 034230. So correct answer is 4230 because here you can apply this formula if your series start from 1 for first n natural number. I ask you one more question, try. If you are not understood, wait. अगर किसी को अभी भी समझ में नहीं आया, wait. Let me take one more example, then you will understand. Now here, this is 31 plus 32 plus 33, 34 up to 80. Directly, like you cannot find, तो या तो अगर ये formula use करना है तो you have to complete the series. It should be sum of first n natural number. It should start from 1. तो जो मिसिंग है वो ऐड करके लास्ट में वो सब्ट्रैक्ट कर लो. ट्राई, टेक योर टाइम, कीप आंसर विद योरसेल्फ. भाई 1 से लेके 100 की एक सीरीज हुई, ये सब्ट्रैक्ट करूंगा ना जो माइनस के बाद है, ये वाली वैल्यू सब्ट्रैक्ट होगी ना इसमें से ये सब्ट्रैक्ट होगी. Okay, so here what is missing? I will add 1 plus 2 plus 3 up to 30. Same thing is subtract. Minus 1, 2, 3. So now it is a series 1 to 80. So it is 80 into 81 divided by 2 minus, ये चीज माइनस करेंगे, 30 into 31 divided by 2. Okay. So this is like 3240 minus 465. If you solve this, this will come 2775. Is this idea clear? Yes. All of you? क्या आपकी सीरीज कहां से स्टार्ट हो रही थी? 31 से. तो 1 से लेके 30 मिसिंग था, तो वो ऐड कर सकते हैं. बट देयर इज ए रूल, इफ यू आर एडिंग दिस सेम थिंग यू हैव टू सब्ट्रैक्ट इन द लास्ट. तो वी गेट ए सीरीज 1 2 3 4 अप टू 80 एंड माइनस 1 से लेके 30 तक. 80 into 81 divided by 2 minus 30 into 31 divided by 2. एक क्वेश्चन और ट्राई कर लो. 21 plus 22 23 up to 60. तब इसमें स्टार्टिंग में क्या मिसिंग है, यू हैव टू ऐड सेम थिंग, यू हैव टू सब्ट्रैक्ट. Done. See what is missing. 1 + 2 + 3 20 तक की वैल्यू मिसिंग है और वही लास्ट में माइनस 1 2 20. So this is 60 into 61 divided by 2 minus 20 into 21 divided by 2. This is 61 into 30 1830 minus 210. So what is your answer? 1620. Second rule, you write next rule. Sum of square of first n natural number. Sum of square of first n natural number. What I mean by this, I tell you. 1 square plus 2 square plus 3 square up to n square. Sum of square of first n natural number. What is the formula if you know by chance? No, no. Right, n into n plus 1 into 2n plus 1 divided by 6. N into n plus 1 into 2n plus 1 divided by 6. I ask you two questions so that you can practice this. या एक ही क्वेश्चन ले लेता हूं. 1 square plus 2 square plus 3 square. One square plus 2 square plus 3 square up to 10 square. Take your time. Done. Formula is n into n plus 1 into 2n plus 1 divided by 6. My question is 1 square, 2 square, 3 square up to 10 square. So value of n here is 10 in this question. Okay, so value of n is 10. Formula is n into n plus 1 into 2n plus 1 divided by 6. So it's like 10 into 11. This is 2 into 10, 20. So 21 divided by 6. If you check here, this is 5, this is 3. पहले 2 से divide करना है. देखो some student what they do, first they multiply then they divide by 6. जो cancel हो रहा है that is our first preference. जो पहले ही cancel out हो रहा है you do this. So it is 55 into 7 या 35 into 11 385. पहले 2 से cancel किया फिर 3 से cancel किया then multiply. नहीं स्क्वायर ऐड ना करना पड़े तभी ये शॉर्टकट है, नहीं तो फिर 1 square is 1, 2 square is 4, 9, 16, 25, 36, 49, 64, 81, 100. Manually if you add this it is more time consuming. या अभी आपको आंसर मिल जाएगा. If you want to do you can do, you are free to do. ठीक है, आपकी मर्जी, आप अगर ये करना चाहें ये भी कर सकते हैं, बट मेरा ये क्वेश्चन है आपसे, व्हाट इज 1 स्क्वायर प्लस 2 स्क्वायर प्लस 3 स्क्वायर अप टू 20 स्क्वायर। ठीक है, फाइंड द आंसर। अब देखो आप क्या करना चाहोगे। दस में से 4 कैलकुलेशन मिस्टेक करते जो कि हार्मफुल है, बस कैलकुलेशन फास्ट है कोई ना। See here, this is 20, so 20 into 21 into 41, 2 into 20 40 plus 1 divided by 6। तो पहले 2 से डिवाइड किया 3 10, फिर इसको कैंसिल किया 7, 70 into 41, तो इट इज 287, 287। okay, if you are slow in calculation, okay, we will take care, but don't do mistake. No calculation mistake is accepted here. If you are slow, okay, we have scope to increase our calculations.
हमारे जो फॉर्मूला उसके अंदर दो ब्रैकेट के बीच के अंदर कोई
तो मल्टीपल हो जाता है ना, n इंटू एन प्लस 1, तो ये मल्टीप्लाई होगा 20 21। ठीक है, फिर हो गया 2n प्लस, तो ये और ये आपस में मल्टीप्लाई होंगे, तो ये सब चीजें मल्टीप्लाई होंगे 20 20 प्लस 1, 2 इंटू 20 40 प्लस 1 डिवाइडेड बाई 6, तो ये हो जाएगा 20 इंटू 21 इंटू 41 डिवाइडेड बाई 6। अगर दो ब्रैकेट आपस में अटैच है उसका मतलब भी मल्टीप्लीकेशन होता है। नाउ रूल नंबर 3, सम ऑफ क्यूब ऑफ फर्स्ट n natural number, sum of cube of first n natural number, like 1 cube plus 2 cube plus 3 cube up to n cube. Any one of you? Right, n into n plus 1 divided by 2 होल स्क्वायर, जो सबसे पहला रूल था वही है, बट उसका होल स्क्वायर, n into n plus 1, n into n plus 1 divided by 2 whole square. I take one question so that we can remember it. See here, 1 cube plus 2 cube plus 3 cube up to 10 cube. You try this. अच्छा, so this is 10 into 11 divided by 2 whole square. So this is 55 square. इसमें ना ऑन कर दो ये, ठीक है, स्क्रीन। What is 55 square? That we will discuss की square वो भी कम, ज्यादा नहीं, like up to 125 square I will discuss how we can calculate fast. It is 3025. Many of you know good enough, but I will discuss later. But उतना डिटेल में नहीं जितना मैं एसएससी बैंकिंग वालों को है, जितना रिक्वायर्ड होगा दैट आई विल डिस्कस. See, what is very important here, for any competitive exam, you have to do PYQ analysis. Doing less is harmful and doing more is also harmful. मतलब अब अगर हम अपना एसएससी वाली अप्रोच बना लेंगे ना, then we will also face problem in exam. We should have a mindset for CSET. For CSET. Totally. ठीक है? Fine. Now next is, yesterday I told you one concept prime number and one concept twin prime. And I think all of you know what is prime. If you have missed the class, I will repeat that prime number are those natural number which are divisible by 1 and itself only, or which have exactly two factors. Like 2 is divisible by 1 and 2, 3 divisible by 1 and 3, 5 divisible by 1 and 5, 7 divisible by 1 and 7. But what is important concept here which I covered today is co-prime. Co-prime. Okay. And then there will be a confusion. देखो यूपीएससी स्टेजेस ऐसे होती है, when you read one chapter you don't have any confusion. When you read 2, 3 or more, then there is a confusion. And it is a positive sign. If there is a overlapping on information, if you are getting confused in 2 to answer option, it is a positive sign in UPSC preparation. Means you are learning more. But it doesn't mean you continue with the confusion. फिर आपको next stage पे जाना जहां आपने confusion पे काम करना है. So now here you know prime number. I will teach you co-prime. Maybe you get confused between prime and co-prime. Then it's my duty that I will clear the concept so that there is no confusion between prime and co-prime. So you put heading co-prime. Now here whatever information you have related to co-prime, let me know. मुझे just जानना है कि आपको क्या पता है co-prime के बारे में. Any one of you? Never heard about this. सुना तो होगा. Not remember. 1 तो 4 और 6 में भी होता है. 4 के फैक्टर है 1, 2, 4. 6 के फैक्टर है 1, 2, 3, 6. But 4 and 6 are not co-prime. Prime number. Okay. The highest common factor number is 1. Okay, that is one of the property. HCF of co-prime number is always 1. मैं बताता हूँ. I tell you the definition. I tell you some of the example. Then I tell you some of the property. Then there will be confusion. Then I will clear that confusion. Okay. I tell you what is the definition of co-prime number. You note down. Two natural number A and B are said to be, SAID, are said to be co-prime two natural number A and B are said to be co-prime if they are having only one. जो आप वन कह रहे थे ना उसमें बस एक वर्ड ऐड कर दो, ओनली वन एज कॉमन फैक्टर. ओनली वन एज कॉमन फैक्टर. अगर वन से ज्यादा कॉमन फैक्टर मिलेंगे वो को-प्राइम नहीं होंगे. ओनली वन एज ए कॉमन फैक्टर को-प्राइम, अदरवाइज नॉट. आई गिव यू एग्जांपल लाइक 3 and 5. What are the factor of 3? 1 and 3. What are the factor of 5? 1 and 5. Common factor ओनली वन, उनके बीच में सिर्फ कॉमन फैक्टर ओनली वन है, दैट्स व्हाई 3 and 5 आर को-प्राइम. Like I give you one more example, 11 and 13. Factor of 11 is 1 and 11. Factor of 13 is 1 and 13. Common factor only 1.
It's an independent prime number, that is prime number, and it is not independent. What is the another prime number?
ठीक है, रुको थोड़ा सा. तो ये हो को-प्राइम. I give you one negative example, like 8 and 12. What are the factor of 8? 1, 2, 4, 8. What are the factor of 12? We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 12. What are the common factor? We have 1, 2, and 4. So they are not having only 1 as a common factor. They have 2 and 4 also as a common factor. So that's why 8 and 12 are not co-prime to each other. See, there are only two conditions for co-prime. One is natural number. Second thing is only one as common factor. कोई भी दो natural number जिनके बीच में only one as a common factor है are co-prime to each other. उनको बोलते हैं हम relatively prime. Co-prime बोलो या relatively prime. I repeat, definition is two natural number A and B are said to be co-prime if they are having only one. मेरा stress रहेगा only पे. Don't say one. Only one as a common factor. So there are only two conditions. It should be natural number. पहली, दूसरी उनके बीच में only one as a common factor तो co-prime. हाँ, अभी बस 2-3 मिनट दो, काफी सारी चीजें क्लियर होंगी. Some example like 3 and 5, common factor only 1. 11, 13, common factor only 1. 8 and 12, common factor 1, 2 and 4. That's why these are not co-prime. Now you write one important statement. Just try to understand. I will explain in detail. Prime number are necessarily co-prime to each other. मतलब दो प्राइम नंबर तो आपस में को-प्राइम होंगे ही होंगे. प्राइम नंबर आर नेसेसरली को-प्राइम टू ईच अदर, बट कंपोजिट नंबर can also be co-prime. यहां है प्राइम नंबर तो को-प्राइम होते ही होते हैं, बट कंपोजिट नंबर कैन ऑल्सो बी को-प्राइम. लाइक आई गिव यू एग्जांपल 9 and 16. What are the factor of 9? 1, 3, 9. What are the factor of 16? 1, 2, 4, 8, 16. I'm not saying 9 is prime and 16 is prime. These are composite. These two number are composite number, but these two are co-prime to each other. See, I just tell you, like these two are friendly to each other. Well, these are prime person, they are co-prime to each other. But like I'm not friendly, and he is also not friendly, but we can be friendly to each other. दुनिया के लिए हम friendly नहीं है. He is also not friendly to the others, but we both can be friendly to each other. We are co-prime to each other. हम prime नहीं है, we are co-prime to each other. So what is the condition for co-prime? Only one as a common factor. Okay. Now some of you get confused between prime and co-prime. Now I explain. See here, student, what they do, they get confused between prime and co-prime. So here, what is prime and what are co-prime? Prime number concept we use for one number, a real type insan, which have exactly two factors, like 5. 5 have exactly two factor 1 and 5. 7 having exactly two factor 1 and 7. Okay, but whereas co-prime we use concept for two number like couple, and we have variety of couple. One type of couple is committed, like prime numbers. See, like 5 and 7. And I take factor like relationship. Like here 5 have one common relationship and 5 love himself. 7 one common relationship, love herself. They have only one common relationship. See, there is a condition of only one common relationship. Common relationship. There is no restriction on relationship. It can be a couple like this, 81 and 100. It's like husband having relationship with 1, having relationship with 3, having relationship with 9, having relationship with 27, having relationship with 100. These are the relationship of this husband. And this wife told, if you have these many relationship, no problem. See my relationship with 1, with 2, with 4, with 5, with 10, okay, with 20, with 25, with 50, with 100. In prime number, there is a restriction on factor. Prime number के दो ही factor होंगे. But for co-prime, there is no restriction on relationship. There is no restriction on factor. But common relationship has to be only one. इनके बीच में एक से ज्यादा relationship ना हो. They have only one common relationship, or they have only one common factor. If they have only one common factor, so you can say 81 and 100 are co-prime to each other. Any two natural number, there is no condition कि उनको prime होना ही चाहिए. Composite number can also be co-prime provided that they have only one common factor. Like I take example 9 and 10. Okay. 9 is composite, 10 is composite. What are the factor of 9? 1, 3, 9. What are the factor of 10? 1, 2, 5, 10. Common factor? Only one. Since they have only one common relationship, since they have only one common factor, they are co-prime to each other. They are not prime, but they are co-prime to each other. They are not friendly, but they are friendly to each other. दुनिया के लिए फ्रेंडली नहीं है वो, बट आपस में फ्रेंडली हो सकते हैं. They are not prime, but they are co-prime to each other. That is the concept. So what is the definition of co-prime? You have to understand. Don't make a perception कि सिर्फ प्राइम नंबर ही co-prime होते हैं. कुछ कोई भी नंबर co-prime हो सकते हैं आपस में. क्या कंडीशन है? Natural number and only one as a common factor. Two natural number and only one as common factor. Common factor सिर्फ वन होना चाहिए, क्योंकि वन तो होगा ही होगा. वन के अलावा कोई होगा तो फिर वो co-prime नहीं रहेंगे. Try like here 8 and 15. Just check whether 8 and 15 are co-prime, yes or no. What are the factor of 8? 1, 2, 4, 8. I think all of you comfortable to find factors of small number. छोटे नंबर के तो फैक्टर इजीली निकाल सकते हैं ना, कि 8 is divisible by 1, 8 is divisible by 2, 4, 8, 15. 1, 3, 5, 15. Tell me common factor. कितने common factor है? Only one. Since they have only one as a common factor, can I say 8 and 15 are co-prime to each other? है ना? I ask you some other question. Try. आपको चेक करना है co-prime है कि नहीं है. 7 and 13, 64 and 75, 19 and 21, 36 and 69. बस निकाल लो पहले कौन कौन से, ठीक है, सारे एक ही साथ बता देना। तमन्ना, नाउ इट्स क्लियर। प्राइम नंबर इज फॉर वन नंबर जिसके टू फैक्टर है। को प्राइम कोई भी नेचुरल नंबर को प्राइम हो सकते हैं, उनके बीच में सिर्फ ओनली वन एज ए कॉमन फैक्टर होना चाहिए। 7 and 13 को प्राइम, यस और नो? क्योंकि दोनों प्राइम है। टू प्राइम नंबर्स आर नेसेसरली को प्राइम, उसमें तो चेक ही नहीं करना। 7 is prime, 13 is prime, yes. 64 and 75, yes. You take factor of 64, factor of 75, you find only one as a common factor, yes. Check, मतलब हो जाएगा। 19 and 21, yes. Here you get common factor 1 and 3, और भी हो सकते हैं, लेकिन 1 and 3 is there. It is divisible by 1 and 3. It is also divisible by 1 and 3. Since they have more than one common factor, so no. Now we have discussion in detail. Wait. It's clear? All of you? Is it okay? Yes, no. All of you, online students also. हाँ, अब मैं आता हूँ धीरे धीरे। Two prime number are always co-prime to each other. ठीक है, दो प्राइम नंबर तो आपस में को प्राइम होंगे ही होंगे। Now here he has suggested one thing, one prime number and one composite number. अभी लिखना नहीं कुछ, tell me out of two given number if one is prime and other is composite, will it be co-prime, yes or no? May or may not, depend. अब मैं आपको आंसर देता हूं, 5 and 10. 5 is prime, 10 is composite. What are the factor of 5? 1 and 5. What are the factor of 10? 1, 2, 5, 10. These are not. But इसी में अगर एक एग्जांपल ले लो, 5 and 6. 5 is prime, 6 is composite. What are the factor of 5? 1 and 5. What are the factor of 6? 1, 2, 3, 6. These are composite. So one prime, one composite, you cannot say always. May not, depend. So it is may not. तो may not depend on the number. हो भी सकते हैं, नहीं भी. Similarly for two composite number. There is no compulsion that two composite number are always co-prime or not. May or may not. We have to check it. Two prime number, no need to check. Two prime number are necessarily co-prime. वो तो होने ही होने co-prime है. But one prime, one composite, we can't say. Two composite number, we can't say. We have to check. Composite है सर, वो even थोड़ी ना है. लिख लो, टू कंपोजिट नंबर, ठीक है, मे बी को प्राइम टू ईच अदर, मे बी, वी हैव टू चेक। अच्छा, 5 and 6 के अलावा कोई और एग्जांपल? 5 and 12 ले लो। 5 नहीं लेना चाह रहे तो कुछ भी ले लो, लाइक 11 and 24 ले लो, 11 and 25 ले लो, 11 and 36 ले लो, दुनिया भर के एग्जांपल है। आपने क्या बोला था? इन्होंने बोला वन प्राइम एंड वन कंपोजिट। ये प्राइम है, ये कंपोजिट है, तो ये आपस में को प्राइम नहीं है। ये प्राइम और ये कंपोजिट है। व्हाट आर द फैक्टर ऑफ 11? 1 and 11। व्हाट आर द फैक्टर ऑफ 36? 1 3 4 6 9 12 18 36। कॉमन फैक्टर? हाँ, 2 also, only 1। Since they have only 1 as a common factor, so 11 and 36 are co-prime to each other। मतलब कोई गारंटी नहीं, हो भी सकते नहीं भी, टू कंपोजिट की भी कोई गारंटी नहीं। सो ट्राई टू अंडरस्टैंड, टू प्राइम नंबर आर ऑलवेज को प्राइम, वन प्राइम एंड वन कंपोजिट देयर इज नो गारंटी, वी हैव टू चेक। टू कंपोजिट नंबर ऑल्सो देयर इज नो गारंटी, वी हैव टू चेक। ठीक है, नाउ आई गिव यू सम अदर प्रॉपर्टी। डेफिनेशन क्लियर? Two natural number A and B are said to be co-prime if they have only one as a common factor. So here prime number are necessarily co-prime, composite number can also be co-prime, it depend on the number, वो number पे depend करेगा। Now here you write पहली प्रॉपर्टी, इसके अलावा two consecutive natural number, two consecutive natural number are always co-prime to each other। You take any two consecutive natural number, 9 and 10, 100 and 101, ठीक है, 999 and 1000, डोंट हैव डाउट, ठीक है, नो नीड टू चेक। अपने बूढ़े लोग पहले ही चेक कर चुके हैं, हमें विरासत में देके गए हैं, ठीक है, तो दोबारा कमाने की जरूरत नहीं है इसको। एनी टू कंसेक्यूटिव नेचुरल नंबर, 24 and 25, ठीक है, एनी टू कंसेक्यूटिव 1 lakh and 1 lakh 1, एनी टू कंसेक्यूटिव नेचुरल नंबर आर ऑलवेज को-प्राइम टू ईच अदर, ऑलवेज। 11 and 12, 19 and 20, 80, 81, any two consecutive. No need to waste your energy, no need to check factor, has to be co-prime. Next property is two consecutive odd number. Are always co-prime to each other. Like you check 21, 23, 79, 81. Take any two consecutive odd number. Has to be co-prime. No need to check. But odd, not even. Odd. Two consecutive odd number. थर्ड, या इसके बाद नेक्स्ट, HCF, हाईएस्ट कॉमन फैक्टर ऑफ को-प्राइम नंबर इज ऑलवेज 1। एक ही है तो वही हाईएस्ट है। नेक्स्ट, LCM, LCM stand for least common multiple। आफ्टर दैट आई ब्रीफ यू अबाउट HCM और LCM। इस टॉपिक के बाद मैं थोड़ा सा HCM और LCM का बेसिक बता दूंगा आज। LCM ऑफ co-prime number is always their product. Always their product. Like 9 and 11. If I ask you what is LCM of 9 and 11, if I ask you what is LCM of 9 and 11, you can directly say 99. They are multiple. If I ask you what is LCM of 99 and 100, since 99 and 100 are two consecutive natural number, co-prime. If they are co-prime, what is their LCM? They are multiple. क्या है multiple? 9900. दो के लिए होता है, बट 9, 11, 13 भी को-प्राइम आपस में, उनका एलसीएम भी 9 into 11 into 13 ही होगा, क्योंकि तीनों भी आपस में को-प्राइम है. बट एज ए कंसेप्ट वी यूज को-प्राइम फॉर टू नंबर. अब जैसे ही आपसे पूछ लो है व्हाट इज द एलसीएम ऑफ 11 and 13, ठीक है, यू मल्टीप्लाई. व्हाट इज दिस? 11 into 13. व्हाट इज 11 into 13? अब तो 13 की टेबल याद करके आए थे, बट 11 तक नहीं गए थे. हाँ, बस 143. ठीक है, सीधा एलसीएम है, क्योंकि ये को-प्राइम है. क्यों को-प्राइम है? बिकॉज ऑफ टू कंसेक्यूटिव ऑड नंबर. 11 and 13 are two consecutive odd number. That's why 11 and 13 are co-prime. If 11 and 13 are co-prime, what is their LCM? Their product. Although not covered, but you can find it. Link तो है ना आपस में. Any doubt? Online student, offline student? को-प्राइम मतलब फ्रेंडली.
अगर इनमें से एक कॉन्सिक्यूटिव है और एक कंपोजिट है, सॉरी, और एक जो है वो प्राइम, तो उनका प्रोडक्ट जो है वो को-प्राइम, मतलब वो
See here, he is asking if one number is prime, other number is composite, can we say their LCM will be their product? It depends if they are co-prime, yes, otherwise not.
इसकी को-प्राइम निकालना है.
अगर वो को-प्राइम है तो उनका एलसीएम उनका प्रोडक्ट होगा ही होगा. अगर को-प्राइम नहीं है तो एलसीएम निकालने का एक अलग तरीका है. अभी मैंने एचसीएफ एलसीएम नहीं बताया. आई जस्ट टोल्ड यू प्रॉपर्टी ऑफ को-प्राइम. मैंने सिर्फ को-प्राइम की प्रॉपर्टी बताई है कि एचसीएफ ऑफ को-प्राइम नंबर इज ऑलवेज 1 एंड एलसीएम ऑफ को-प्राइम नंबर इज ऑलवेज देयर प्रोडक्ट. अगर को-प्राइम है उनका एलसीएम निकालना इजी है. अगर कोई और नंबर है उनका एलसीएम कैसे निकलेगा, दैट आई विल डिस्कस राइट. Now here we have concept called HCF and LCM. School days, what we have done cramming of this concept. हमने ये रटा है. So that's why if we have a question based on LCM and HCF which is not a direct question, we get stuck. Now we have to learn what is this concept. LCM stands for least common multiple. I take two examples. I take number like 9 and 12. What are the multiple of 9? और 9 के कितने multiple है? How many multiple of 9s are there? वो तो फैक्टर है, मल्टीपल्स पूछ रहा हूं. 9 के कितने मल्टीपल है? इनफाइनाइट. मल्टीपल्स तो चलते ही रहेंगे ना. व्हाट आर द मल्टीपल ऑफ 9? 9, 12, सॉरी 9, 18, 27, 36, 45, 54, 63, 72, 81, 90, 99, 108 and so. What are the multiple of 12? 12, 24, 36, 48, 60, 72, 84, 96, 108, 120, 132 and so. What is this word? Common multiple. Out of this multiple, just identify common multiple. 36, 72, 108, फिर उसके बाद आएगा 144, फिर आएगा 180 एंड सो. If anyone ask me what is the definition of LCM, I tell you इससे best definition हो ही नहीं सकती. These three words clearly explain what is LCM. Least common multiple. Self-explanatory definition है. You take multiple, out of multiple take common multiple, out of common multiple tell me which one is the least. 36. So 36 is LCM of 9 and 12. Among the multiple we have to take common multiple, and out of the common multiple the least one is known as least common multiple. रटने की जरूरत ही नहीं ना, इसमें क्लियरली तो बोला है लीस्ट कॉमन मल्टीपल. जो मल्टीपल है उनमें से कॉमन निकालने हैं, कॉमन में जो सबसे छोटा है वही एलसीएम है. लेट मी टेक वन मोर एग्जांपल. लाइक आई टेक एग्जांपल 6 and 9. What are the multiple of 6? 6, 12, 18, 24, 30, 36, 42, 48, 54, 60 and so on. What are the multiple of 9? 9, 18, 27, 36, 45, 54, 63, 72, 81. Common multiple? 18, 36, 54, 72, 90 and so on. Out of this common multiple, which one is the least? 18. So 18 is the least common multiple. Least among the common multiple is known as least common multiple. As simple as that. But we will not use this method to find LCM because it is time consuming. It is just to understand the concept. ये concept समझने के लिए है, इसको use नहीं करेंगे. For use we have some different method. I explain what is HCF. अब मैं आपको HCF समझाता हूँ. What is the full form of HCF? Highest common factor. I take number like 12 and 18. What are the factor of 12? 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 12. What are the factor of 18? 1, 2, 3, 6, 9, 18. Common factor? Common factor क्या क्या? 1, 2, 3, 6. What is the word? Highest common factor. Tell me out of this common factor which one is highest? 6. So 6 is your HCF. Highest among the common factor is known as highest common factor. एक example और ले लो. Like for example 24 and 36. ठीक है, हमें HCF निकालना है. कुछ नहीं, बेसिक मेथड है. इट इज 6th स्टैंडर्ड मेथड. टेक फैक्टर 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 8, 12, 24. इसके फैक्टर क्या क्या हो जाएंगे? 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 9, 12, 18, 36. कॉमन फैक्टर 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 12. ठीक है. Out of this common factor, tell me which one is highest? 12. So what is HCF of 24 and 36? Among the common factor, the highest one is known as highest common factor. Might be any one of you heard about one term called GCD. Any one of you heard? This is highest common factor. What is GCD? Greatest common divisor. Factor divisor is same. 6 के क्या क्या factor है? 1, 2, 3, 6. 6 के divisor 1, 2, 3, 6. Divisor factor is same thing. Okay. highest मतलब greatest. Synonym of highest is greatest. Synonym of factor is divisor. It is same as HCF. It's like Virat Kohli. It's like Chiku. ठीक है, गंगाधर शक्तिमान, सेम थिंग. HCF is GCD, GCD is HCF. अगर गलती से वो GCD पूछ ले, it means they are asking greatest common divisor, which is nothing. It is other name of highest common factor. Now, next thing is how we can find LCM or HCF. ठीक है, category 1 student, I just discussed 2-3 example. You have to practice. That is your homework. From 6th, 7th, 8th NCERT, you can practice more question और Google पे लिख देना question on HCF and LCM, you will find कि 2-3 नंबर के HCF और LCM निकाल देना. Now here I start with LCM. This method what I told you, this is a basic method to learn the concept. ये सिर्फ concept सीखने के काम आता है, इसको यूज नहीं किया जाता. What we use factorization method. Factorization method to find LCM or HCF of 2 or more number. I tell you what is this. Let me take 3-4 examples so that all of you understand. Like I take question 24 and 36. We have to find LCM. ये 30 ले लेता हूँ, नहीं तो confuse हो. 24 and 30. We have to find what is LCM. Do you remember this diagram? है ना? फिर टीचर ने क्या किया होगा? 2 कॉमन लिया होगा. Then is 12 and 15. फिर 3 कॉमन लिया होगा. This is 4 and 5. ठीक है. After that taken 4 कॉमन, या कोई टीचर होगा बिल्कुल बेसिक से जा रहा होगा 2 and 2. This become 1, 5 as it is. Don't write 5 by 4. फिर we take 5 कॉमन, 1 and 1. है ना? टीचर को तब तक तसल्ली नहीं होती थी सारे नंबर 1-1 ना बन जाए. Our task is to make every number 1-1. We have to take all the common factors. सारे जितने भी लास्ट तक, till last, you have to take all the common factors out. And then what you have to do, you have to multiply this. This multiplication is your LCM. 2 into 3 into 4 into 5, 24 into 5, 120. So what is LCM of 24 and 30 is 120. Let me take 2-3 example. अभी काफी सारी चीजें सामने आएंगे. Like for example 60 and 75. We have to find LCM. You take 3 common. ठीक है. So you get 20, 25. Take 5 common, 4 and 5. Take 4 common, 1 and 5. Take 5 common, 1, 1. Multiply this. 3 into 5 into 4 into 5. 15 into 20, 300. But when it is more than 2 number, 12, 20, 38 या 38 ना लेके 22. Our first preference is if it is common from all the number. If it is, जैसे सब में क्या common है? 2. We take 2 common. 6, 10, 11. After that 10 and 11, you give you only 1 as a common factor. But here, if it is common from 2 also, that also you have to take. In LCM, we have to go up to the last step. जब तक वो जूस निकलता जाएगा, निकालना है. It's like a sugar cane juice machine. देखा sugar cane का जूस निकालता है. ठीक है. एक बूंद भी बची होगी ना, वो मशीन में से निकाल देता है उसको, sugar cane वाला. इसी तरह से एक भी कॉमन फैक्टर होगा ना, you have to take it out. So here we have 2 common, 3, 5, 11. Then you take 3, it become 1, 5, 11. Take 5, 1, 1, 11. Then take 11, 1, 1, 1. Then we have to multiply it. 2 into 2, 4 into 3, 12. 12 into 5, 60 into 11, 660. It's like till last you have to extract the common factors, common factor or not common factor, अगर factors भी आ रहे हैं उसको भी बाहर निकाल. Let me take one example. 12, 15, 20. ठीक है, you can check this example. 12 and 15 have 3 common, 15 and 20 have 5 common, 12 and 20 have 4 common, but we don't have any common factor from all the 3 numbers. तीनों में से कुछ नहीं आ रहा. But here LCM suggests if it is common from 2 numbers, still you have to take common. तो पहले 12 और 15 में से 3 कॉमन लिया, 4, 5, 20. फिर 5 और 20 में से 5 कॉमन लिया, 4, 1, 4. 4 कॉमन, 1, 1, 1. 3 कॉमन, 5 कॉमन, 4 कॉमन, you multiply. So it is 3 into 5 into 4, 15 into 4, 60. LCM में if it is common in any of the 2 numbers, still you have to take out. उसको भी बाहर निकालना है. Fine. Try this question. 12, 20, 25. Find the LCM. You take 2 common, 6, 10, 25. Further take 2 common, 3, 5, 25. Take 5 common, 3, 1, 5. Take 3 common, 1, 1, 5. Take 5 common, 1, 1. This is 4 into 5, 20 into 5, 60 into 5, 300. You have to practice more question. मतलब कुछ कल एक हैंड आउट मिला था उसमें है स्टिल. ठीक है, you can try those question. HCF.
तो ये तरीका है.
मतलब it is more advisable factorization. There is other method also where we convert that in prime form. Let me discuss in regular classes. Then we can use एक prime form का भी एक तरीका है. But this is handy. ये factorization method is the handy method to find the LCM. HCF, highest common factor. There are 2 methods for HCF. Small number we use factorization, which I will teach. Big number we use division method, which I cover with regular classes. ठीक है, मैं regular classes के साथ आपको division method बताता हूँ. When it is 3-digit number, 4-digit number, उसमें division method ज़्यादा helpful रहता है बड़े number में. Factorization method is same method. We use the same method what we have learned for LCM, but only the difference is HCF is easier than LCM. Like here, you have 12, 20, 22. HCF is like it has to be common from all the number. It has to be common from all the number. So what is common here? 2, then it is 6, 10, 11. After that, 6 and 10 have a common interest too, but 10 and 11 is not having. It's like यारों का यार type. ठीक है, this 6 and 10 are saying चल मुरथल चलते हैं. 11 कह रहा नहीं जाना, तो नहीं जाना. किसी ने भी मना कर दिया तो नहीं जाना. LCM में क्या है, वो 2 लोग मुरथल निकल जाएंगे, इसको छोड़ जाएंगे. That is LCM. We take common factor till the last. But HCF is like यारों का यार, सब में जो common है वही लेना है, otherwise we drop the idea. Here we have 2 common, okay. After that we don't have any other common, stop. तभी stop हो जाएगा. So what is HCF of these 3 number? 2. It has to be common from all the number. If it is not, stop. नहीं है तो रुक जाओ तुरंत. It has to be common from all the given number that we will take common, otherwise we stop. Like here, for example, 12, 20, 25. You find 12 and 20 have 4 as a common. 20 and 25, 5 has a common, but 12 and 25 don't have a common factor. Stop. 1. जिसका कोई नहीं होता उसका भगवान होता है. 1 तो सब में ही है ना कॉमन. HCF होगा, अगर कुछ नहीं है तो 1 होगा. 1 is the highest common factor from this 3 number 12, 20, 25. Similarly, like here, 12, 15, 20. मैंने ऐसा थोड़ी ना बोला था. मैंने कहा था HCF of co-prime number is 1. It is not vice versa. इसका मतलब ये थोड़ी ना कि जिन नंबर का HCF 1 है वो सारे ही co-prime होंगे आपस में. दो फ्रेंड मिलके दारू पीते हैं, इसका मतलब थोड़ी ना जो आपस में दारू पी रहे हैं वो सारे ही फ्रेंड है. कई बार तो दुश्मन के साथ भी दारू पीनी पड़ जाती है. आप समझो ना, आई टोल्ड यू HCF of co-prime number is 1. It doesn't means if any numbers have HCF 1, it is not guarantee कि वो आपस में co-prime होंगे. It is not vice versa. हाँ तभी तो. Now here 12, 15, 20. 12 and 15 have 3 as a common factor. 15 and 20 have 5 as a common factor. 12 and 20 have 4 as a common factor. But तीनों में from all these 3 number we don't have any number other than 1 which is common from all the number. So what is HCF of 12, 15, 20 is 1. HCF is like attitude. मतलब अगर सब मानेंगे तो we will go for a trip, otherwise not. It has to be common from all the number, otherwise no. Stop. LCM will last तक common factor निकालता रहेगा. Okay, you try. HCF is much easier. HCF में ज्यादा इशू नहीं आता. 240 and 330. Find HCF of these two numbers. Then I give the answer of the last class handout. कल आपको 2 handout मिले थे, उनमें से एक ही कर पाए हो. बोर्ड मास वाला एक ही मिला था, मतलब कंबाइंड था. रिमेनिंग क्वेश्चंस यू हैव टू ट्राई टुडे. ठीक है, मैं आपको आंसर दे देता हूं सबके. व्हाट इज HCF फॉर 240 एंड 330? HCF दोनों को एक साथ लो ना, ये तो फैक्टर्स निकाल रहे हो आप. बड़ा लेंथी प्रोसेस है. 10 तो मुझे दिख रहा है, दोनों नंबर के पीछे 0 है तो 10 तो वैसे ही है. 30 कैसे? लाइक इफ इट इज 10 इज कॉमन, डायरेक्टली 10 तो वैसे ही ले लो. 24 and 33 both are multiple of 3, take 3 common. 8 and 11, after that you don't have common factor. अगर कॉमन निकल रहे तो निकालते जाओ जब तक. कॉमन तो होने चाहिए ना. सो 10 into 3, 30. So your HCF of 240 and 330 is 30. Okay, fine. I give you the answers of the last class handout. Today we are not giving handout. Tomorrow onward I will start the regular classes. But before that, your homework, I ask you to remember table of 2 to 20. You add one more thing or two more thing. 2 square to 25 square. You have to remember. It has to be on your tips. There is no shortcut. 2 square से 25 square का कोई shortcut नहीं है, वो रटा होना चाहिए. 2 cube to 12 cube has to be on your tips. 2 is to power 1 to 2 is to power 10. जैसे 2 to 32. 32 is 2 is to power 5. पता होना चाहिए आपको. 2 is to power 1 to 2 is to power 10. हाँ, पहले मैं आंसर बता देता हूं, देन आई विल टेक डाउट. बोर्ड मास एंड रिकरिंग डेसिमल हैंड आउट. क्वेश्चन नंबर 1 आंसर इज 2. ओनली स्टेटमेंट नंबर 2 is correct. Question number 2 answer 3. 14 is the correct answer. Question number 3 answer 2. Only statement 2 is correct. Question number 4. 15 is the correct answer. Question number 5, third answer option, 65 is the correct. Question number 6, there is a correction. It is given which of the two signs should be interchanged in order to make the following equation correct. ये लिखा हुआ है 21 plus 5 into 2 minus 21 divided by 3 is equal to 12. आंसर ऑप्शन 2 में करेक्शन कर लो, इट इज रिटन एंड डिवाइडेड, माइनस एंड डिवीजन, और यही आंसर आएगा। माइनस और डिवीजन को इंटरचेंज करना है, देन यू विल गेट द आंसर। क्वेश्चन नंबर 6, इसमें करेक्शन है, नहीं कुछ नहीं है, इसमें आंसर ऑप्शन से ही चेक करना है, देयर इज नो शॉर्टकट, यू हैव टू चेक फर्स्ट आंसर ऑप्शन। माइनस और मल्टीप्लाई से भी आ रहा है, ठीक है, हो सकता है। माइनस एंड डिवीजन, ठीक है, माइनस एंड मल्टीप्लीकेशन से आ रहा है, ओके फाइन। माइनस एंड डिवीजन। क्वेश्चन नंबर 7, आंसर सी 5। थर्ड को रहने दो, अब आंसर आएगा, अब उसमें क्या ही दिमाग लगाना। क्वेश्चन नंबर 8 में आंसर ऑप्शन 4 0, 7 का C5, 8 का 4 0, फोर्थ आंसर ऑप्शन 0। क्वेश्चन नंबर 9 में ऑल्सो देर इज ए करेक्शन, इफ प्लस मीन्स मल्टीप्लीकेशन, मल्टीप्लीकेशन मीन्स माइनस, उसमें लिखो मल्टीप्लीकेशन मीन्स माइनस, डिवीजन मीन्स प्लस, एंड माइनस मीन्स डिवीजन, माइनस। क्वेश्चन नंबर 9 में लिखा है इफ प्लस मीन्स मल्टीप्लीकेशन, फिर लिखा है मल्टीप्लीकेशन मीन्स, उसके बाद मिसिंग है तो मल्टीप्लीकेशन मीन्स माइनस, फिर लिखो डिवीजन मीन्स प्लस, ये दो चीजें मिसिंग है यहाँ पे, डिवीजन मीन्स प्लस एंड माइनस मीन्स डिवीजन, देन 146 माइनस 2 प्लस 3 मल्टीप्लाई 123 इंटू 5, ठीक है, प्लस 2। Here answer will be 486. After this correction, your answer will come 486. Question number 10, fourth option 18. 18 is the answer. I will explain. Let me give answer first, then I will explain. Then question number 11, which you have to try today. Answer लिख लो 23/99. अलग पेज पे लिख लेना। Question number 12, 10/3. Question number 13, 126/11. Question number 14, 56,176/9900. You can take care of simplification. Question number 15, 1921/90. Question number 16, answer option B, 1/2. Question number 17, answer option A, 1/36. Question number 18, answer option C, 1/54. Question number 19, answer option C, 32/9. Question number 20, answer option A, 82/50. Next handout, number of factors, LCM and HCF. ठीक है, I give the answer की, you try, एक अलग पेज पे आंसर की लिख लो। और what I can do, have you joined the Telegram?
Yes, sir.
All of you kindly join the Telegram, ठीक है। Online students, Telegram group link is there in announcement. Offline students, there is a QR code, scan that, ठीक है। The purpose of the Telegram group is for doubt, and if there is a change in the timetable, we update on Telegram, ठीक है। You kindly join this, and there is a disclaimer, kindly hide your number and change your setting of call, ठीक है। If you want someone to call you, then it's up to you. तो अगर आप चाह रहे हैं कि कोई आपको कॉल करे, फिर अपना नंबर भी डिस्प्ले करो, उसमें वीडियो कॉल और कॉल का ऑप्शन भी खुला रखो, हमारी कोई रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी नहीं है, ठीक है। ये हमारी तरफ से डिस्क्लेमर है। टेलीग्राम पे यू कैन हाइड, मतलब वो ऑप्शंस हैं टेलीग्राम पे। तो ठीक है, इसके आंसर जो हैं आई विल शेयर ऑन द टेलीग्राम टुमारो मॉर्निंग। जो ये दूसरा हैंडआउट ना, जिसमें नंबर ऑफ फैक्टर्स आपने निकालने हैं, नंबर ऑफ फैक्टर इन द सेंस जैसे 75 है, वो कर सकते हो, लेकिन अभी मैनुअली कर लेना। आई हैव नॉट कवर्ड कि हाउ शॉर्टकट फॉर नंबर ऑफ फैक्टर, यू हैव टू चेक मैनुअली। फैक्टर क्या है 75 के, 1 3 5 15 25 75। तो 75 है 6 फैक्टर्स। Okay, now Since you have not done, we have not covered recurring decimal, you have to do, and factors, LCM and HCF today we have done. This first handout, board mass rule, question number 1 to 10, there are 2 correction I told you. Any doubt, अगर 1 से लेके 10 में कोई डाउट है, जिसका डाउट नहीं है वो जाना चाहिए जा सकता है. क्वेश्चन नंबर 4, क्वेश्चन नंबर 4, क्वेश्चन नंबर क्या
कोई भी अपन डायमीटर लेंगे, कोई भी डायमीटर लेंगे, मान लीजिए 93 लेते हैं, 93 सेंटीमीटर, तो 5 c by d circumference
हाँ.
of diameter. So we can say the circumference 5c, sorry 5d. So basically circumference is divided by 7 into 93, right? First statement. Then it will be around 290 के आसपास, 290 या 292 के आसपास. C. Thereafter 5 will be यहाँ पे 290 and diameter 93 रखेंगे तो 3.14 के आसपास आएंगे.
अच्छा, हाँ जी, क्वेश्चन नंबर 1 में क्या डाउट है आपका? फर्स्ट में 50 आ रहा है, 42s, s का मतलब क्या है? s मीन्स डिवीजन. 42 divided by 21. What p means here? p का क्या मतलब है? एडिशन प्लस 64. q का मतलब क्या है? माइनस 6. r का मतलब क्या है? मल्टीप्लीकेशन 2. पहले डिवीजन करेंगे, 2 प्लस 64 माइनस 6 इंटू 2, फिर मल्टीप्लीकेशन करेंगे 2 प्लस 64 माइनस 12. ये 66 माइनस 12 54 आता है. अब चेक करो क्या गलती की है. 54 आंसर आ रहा है, तो इट इज नॉट 50. सो फर्स्ट स्टेटमेंट इज रॉन्ग, सेकंड स्टेटमेंट इज करेक्ट. क्वेश्चन नंबर 8, उससे पहले 4. क्वेश्चन नंबर 4, ऑनलाइन स्टूडेंट यू कैन ऑल्सो आस्क योर डाउट, अगर है तो मैं एक बार देख लेता हूँ. क्वेश्चन नंबर 5, 8. ओके, I take question number 5, 8 also. 4, 5, 8. Question number 4 is H denote multiplication, J denote minus, D denote plus, Y denote division. Then what is this? तो ये है क्या? 105 J, 29 H, 96 Y, 16 D, 84. J means minus. 105 minus 29. What is H means? Multiplication. 96. What this Y means? Division. 16. What this D means? Addition. 84. So according to rule, first you have to do division. 6 आ गया. 105 minus 25 into 6. ये minus 29 is multiply with 6. क्या आएगा ये? माइनस 174 प्लस 84. अब दो वैल्यू पॉजिटिव है, एक नेगेटिव है, तो 105 प्लस 84, इन दोनों को पॉजिटिव वैल्यू में से एक नेगेटिव वैल्यू माइनस कर दो. ये क्या हो गया? 189 माइनस 174, 15 इज द आंसर. 105 और 84 ऐड हो जाएगा और 174 इसमें से माइनस कर लो. क्या हो गया? ये माइनस 90 आ गया ना, तो ये भी कर सकते हो, तो 15 आ जाएगा. एडिशन सब्ट्रैक्शन में देयर इज नो हार्ड एंड फास्ट रूल. पहले दो ऐड कर लो, सब्ट्रैक्ट कर लो, या माइनस और प्लस कर लो, या यहां से नेगेटिव ले लो फिर प्लस 84 कर लो. ओवरऑल आंसर 15 ही आएगा. क्वेश्चन नंबर 5 ऑनलाइन स्टूडेंट ने पूछा है. क्वेश्चन नंबर 5 हियर इज 36A bracket 15C4 B bracket 21A 13 bracket A 24D bracket 16D2 bracket close. What this A means? Plus 36 plus. What is C means? Multiplication. What this B means? Minus. A means plus, plus. What is D means? Division. 16 divided by 2. सब ब्रैकेट खुलेंगे. ये हो गया 36 प्लस 60 माइनस 34 प्लस 24 डिवाइडेड बाई 8. अब डिवीजन. पहले डिवीजन. व्हाट इज 24 डिवाइडेड बाई 8? 3. 36 प्लस 60 माइनस 34 प्लस 3. 96 माइनस 34 प्लस 3 या 99 माइनस 34 कर लो तो ओवरऑल क्या आंसर आएगा? 65. क्वेश्चन नंबर 8. आपने क्या किया? माइनस 34 प्लस 3 को माइनस 37 लिख दिया. आपने क्या लिखना था? 96 माइनस 31. क्यों? एक नेगेटिव है एक पॉजिटिव है. बी केयरफुल. इट विल बी माइनस 31. ये भी कर सकते हो लेकिन 31 करना था, फिर सही आ जाएगा. इससे बढ़िया अगर आपको ये गलती लग रही है ना, व्हाट ही सजेस्टिंग, सारी पॉजिटिव वैल्यू को एक बार ऐड करके उसमें से नेगेटिव वैल्यू पीछे लिख लो, वो ज्यादा प्रेफरेबल है, गलती नहीं होगी. क्वेश्चन नंबर 8. 8 is 81D 9C 5D 15A 8B 11. D means division. 81 divided by 9. C means multiplication. D means division. A means addition. B means subtraction. तो पहले सब डिवीजन. दो डिवीजन है. ये तो आ गया 9, ये हो गया 1/3 प्लस 8 माइनस 11. भाई इसको 1/3 को 0.33 क्यों लेना? इसको कैंसिल कर दो ना, 3 आएगा, नहीं तो डेसिमल के चक्कर में पड़ जाओगे. 0 11 माइनस 11 0. 1/3 आ गया. 9 इंटू 1/3 क्या होता है? 3 से डिवाइड हो गया, 3 आ गया. ये टोटल वैल्यू 3 आ जाएगी. 9 मल्टीप्लाई विद 1/3. 9 मल्टीप्लाई विद 1/3 मीन्स 9/3. ये आ जाएगा 3. ये टोटल वैल्यू विल गिव यू 3 8. 3 प्लस 8 माइनस 11. 11 माइनस 11 0. पहले ये था. व्हाट इज 81 डिवाइडेड बाय 9? व्हाट इज 5 डिवाइडेड बाय 15? 5 डिवाइडेड बाय 15 इज 1/3. 1/3. जैसे मर्जी कर लो, 0 आ गया ना, बस स्टडी का परफेक्ट. ओके. 10 is okay. 10 is 28 plus bracket 11 into 7 minus 9 divided by 5. But you have to read question. If the mathematic operation plus means minus, जहां पे प्लस है उसको माइनस कर दो. Multiplication means plus. Minus means division. Division means multiplication. First we have to solve bracket. So you get 28 minus 18 divided by 9 into 5. Then division. What is minus 18 divided by 9? Minus 2 into 5. What is minus 2 into 5? Minus 10. 28 minus 10. So your answer is 18. Okay. 9 में there is a correction. Online student Ananya, there is a correction in question number 9. So I tell you what is that correction. After that we try this. Question number 9, there is a correction. So here plus means multiplication. Multiplication means minus. Division means plus. And minus means division. So then it is 146 minus 2 plus 3 multiply with 123 into 5 plus 2. तो माइनस मीन्स डिवीजन, तो 146 डिवाइडेड बाय 2, प्लस मीन्स मल्टीप्लीकेशन, मल्टीप्लीकेशन मीन्स माइनस, ये मिसिंग था अनन्या, यू कैन डू माइनस 123 minus 5 and plus means multiplication. So what we will do first division now? 73 into 3 minus 123 minus 5 into 2, then multiplication 73 into 3 219 minus 123 minus 10, 219 minus 133, so it will come 86. So there is a correction, multiplication means minus, division means plus. इसमें correction कर लो. Question number 9, plus means multiplication, multiplication means minus, division means plus. Even in question number 6 also, second answer option में लिखा है and divided, minus and division. Question number 6, second part. ठीक है, after that you will be comfortable with this. There is no other correction. ये 16 में 3 है ही नहीं, 3 कैसे आ गया? 16 में 3 कॉमन फैक्टर ही नहीं है, तो 1 होगा. हाँ नहीं 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 नहीं, लेकिन उसमें 16 में 3 है ही नहीं ना. हाँ तो इसमें 3 है ही नहीं, तो 1 हो जाता ना. जब कुछ भी कॉमन नहीं होता तो 1 आंसर होता है. सही से लिखा है ना. हाँ तो यही कर रहे हो ना, माइनस 15 प्लस 10 को माइनस 25 ले रहे हो. आप एक काम करो, इस स्टेप में क्या करो, पॉजिटिव वैल्यू को अलग लिख लो. 10 प्लस 10 क्या होगा? 20, 20 माइनस 15, इसको दोबारा लिख दो, इसको काट के लिखो 20 माइनस 15. हाँ ऐसे करो इसको. अभी लास्ट स्टेटमेंट, लास्ट सेंटेंस. ओके जी ऑनलाइन स्टूडेंट्स, क्वेश्चन नंबर 6 में देयर इज ए करेक्शन. सारे ही हो गए, फिर तो बचा क्या? 21 plus 5 into 2 minus 21 divided by 3 is equal to 12. It is which of the two signs should be interchanged in order to make the following equation correct? Answer option 1 is plus and minus. Answer option 2 is minus and division. Minus और division को interchange करना है, तो उसके बाद क्या होगा? It is 21 plus 5 into 2 divided by 21 minus 3. ये interchange है. Okay, God bless you. So here first what you do, this is division. So 21 plus 5 into 2 by 21 minus 3. So it is 21 plus 10 by 21 minus 3. बट मुझे लग रहा है डिवीजन और माइनस से नहीं आंसर आ रहा. माइनस एंड मल्टीप्लीकेशन बताया था किसी ने, माइनस एंड मल्टीप्लीकेशन, माइनस एंड मल्टीप्लीकेशन. 21 plus 5 minus 2 into 21 divided by 3. 21 plus 5 minus 42 divided by 3. 21 plus 5 minus 14. 26 minus 14. ओके तो क्वेश्चन नंबर 6 में मेक ए करेक्शन. 2 का तो हो गया, थर्ड आंसर ऑप्शन हो जाएगा विच इज माइनस एंड मल्टीप्लीकेशन. माइनस और डिवीजन से नहीं आ रहा, माइनस एंड मल्टीप्लीकेशन से आंसर आ रहा है. तो स्टूडेंट क्वेश्चन नंबर 6 माइनस एंड मल्टीप्लीकेशन, तो माइनस और मल्टीप्लीकेशन को इंटरचेंज करेंगे. माइनस को मल्टीप्लीकेशन बना लो और मल्टीप्लीकेशन को माइनस बना लो. तो क्वेश्चन नंबर 6 मेक ए करेक्शन. आंसर ऑप्शन सी माइनस एंड मल्टीप्लीकेशन. माइनस एंड मल्टीप्लीकेशन व्हेन यू इंटरचेंज वी गेट आंसर. माइनस एंड मल्टीप्लीकेशन करेक्शन थी 6 में. हाँ जी क्या चीज?
तो इसमें आपने एनसीईआरटी का जो स्टैंडर्ड मेथड है, इधर भी मल्टीप्लाई करना है और लेफ्ट हैंड साइड पे
और राइट साइड में
एक बार ये वाला फिर से repeat।
देखो क्या रूल होता है, अगर आप लेफ्ट साइड मल्टीप्लाई कर रहे हो तो राइट साइड भी मल्टीप्लाई करना बनता है, ये रूल है। अब जैसे हमने ये लिया x इजकल टू दिस, तो इसको 10 से मल्टीप्लाई किया, तो यहाँ पे भी 10 से मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे, x को 10 से मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे तो 10x हो जाएगा, डेसिमल को 10 से मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे तो डेसिमल एक प्लेस यहाँ शिफ्ट हो जाता है 3.333। तो इसमें से x माइनस किया तो 9x हो गया, 3.33 में से 0. हाँ, अगर मान लो ये हो गया 24 इजकल टू x, अगर मैं यहाँ -3 कर रहा हूँ तो यहाँ भी -3 करना पड़ेगा, फिर 24 -3 इजकल टू x माइनस, अगर ऐड कर रहा हूँ तो ऐड करना पड़ेगा, मल्टीप्लाई कर रहा हूँ तो मल्टीप्लाई करना पड़ेगा, सेम ऑपरेशन। हाँ जी, हाँ वो एक बार देख लो से कुछ है कि नहीं है, ठीक है।
सर मेरा कैलकुलेशन इशू मुझे आता नहीं है, ये कैसे करते हैं?
अच्छा, फ्रैक्शंस को ऐड करना, सब्ट्रैक्ट करना, तो ये 1/9 माइनस, ये गलत किया आपने, 5/6 नहीं होगा, 0.08 on 3 there is 1900 83 minus 8 75/900 एक ही चले 1/12, ये होगा 1/12। तो इसको 1/9 माइनस 1/12 करते हैं ना, तो हम क्या करते हैं, इनका एलसीएम लेते हैं 36, फिर इसमें से 36 में क्या बच गया 4, यहाँ क्या हो जाएगा 3।
तो मैंने गलत ही लिया था तो इसी के लिए मेरा
हाँ।
निकल नहीं गया। ठीक है, आज प्लस करते तो आ गया, मुझे आ गया।
Okay, online students, thank you very much. नहीं, इतना ही रखेंगे, स्टार्टिंग में थोड़ा धीरे धीरे फ्लो बढ़ाएंगे।
अभी भी मुझे थोड़ा सा कंफ्यूजन आ रही है।
क्या?
मुझे मेरे फ्रेंड्स चले गए तो मुझे अब अकेले रहना पड़ रहा है। अभी तो रेंट दे
कितने दिन हो आप यहाँ?
सर ये पूरा मंथ है, क्योंकि रेंट दे रखा है, तो वो तो चले गए, बट नेक्स्ट मंथ को रूम वगैरह ढूंढना पड़ेगा। मतलब अगर इम्पोर्टेंट, मतलब मुझे ऐसे अभी समझ आ रहा है।
ओके ऑनलाइन स्टूडेंट, थैंक यू वेरी मच, क्लास एंड कर देना।